Think you need a ton of space or money to build a home gym? Nah, I built a complete setup that trains your whole body for under $100. And I'll show you exactly what I used, where I got it, and how it performs. Oh, and by the way, I spent just $96.72 and only needed a 5 by 5 foot space. First up, resistance bands. These things are a game changer, man. You can hit literally every muscle group with these, just like you would with dumbbells or gym machines. We're talking bicep curls, tricep extensions, shoulder presses, squats, rows, the whole 9 yards, and the beauty of resistance bands? They're progressive, meaning the resistance increases as you stretch them, engaging your muscles throughout the entire range of motion. No slacking allowed. I'm using the resistance band bundle from Sportlair.com. They're my go-to for quality fitness gear that doesn't break the bank. This bundle comes with different resistance levels, so you can start light and work your way up as you get stronger. Trust me, these bands will have you feeling the burn in no time. I'll link them down below so you can check them out. Next up is a cardio classic that stood the test of time for a reason: the jump rope. This ain't just for kids in the schoolyard, my friends. Jumping rope is a killer cardio workout that torches calories like no other. I'm talking about high-intensity intervals that'll have your heart pumping and your lungs working overtime. And get this, just 10 minutes can burn over 100 calories. And the best part, it takes up virtually zero space. You can do it anywhere, anytime. Plus, it's a fun way to mix up your routine and challenge your coordination. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, you'll be surprised at how addictive it can be. Now let's talk about maximizing your workout space. This little piece of equipment is a game changer, the door anchor. This bad boy turns any sturdy door in your house into a cable machine, giving you a whole new range of exercises to target your back, chest, shoulders, and core. We're talking rows, presses, face pulls, even core exercises like anti-rotations. Just loop your resistance bands or suspension trainer through the anchor, and you're good to go. It's incredibly versatile and takes up zero space when you're not using it. Talk about a space-saving superhero. We can't forget about recovery, guys. After putting in the work, it's crucial to take care of your muscles and prevent injuries. That's where the foam roller comes in. This unassuming piece of equipment is a lifesaver when it comes to relieving muscle soreness, improving flexibility, and preventing those pesky knots from forming. I'm talking about targeting those tight spots in your back, legs, and even your feet. Spend a few minutes each day rolling out, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. And if you're looking for more recovery tools, be sure to check out the recovery section on Sportlair.com. They've got everything you need to optimize your recovery and keep you performing at your best. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to our $100 home gym. Now you can choose between core sliders or push-up bars for that extra edge in your workouts. Core sliders are amazing for targeting your abs, obliques, and even your hamstrings. We're talking mountain climbers, lunge variations, and plank exercises that'll have your core screaming for mercy. Or if you go with push-up bars, they're a simple but effective way to increase the intensity of your push-ups and target your chest, triceps, and shoulders more effectively. They also help improve your form by allowing for a greater range of motion. Plus, they're great for other exercises like L-sits and handstand progressions. You don't need thousands to start. You just need gear that works, space to move, and the will to show up. I dropped all the links below. Every item here is under $30, hand-picked for beginners and serious lifters alike. Got a $100 gear challenge idea? Comment it and I might test it next. Next up, premium gear versus budget gear. What's really worth your money? Subscribe and let's go.